Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block unwanted or unsolicited emails on Yahoo from senders you don't want to receive further mail from. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a few different ways on how to do it. Easiest way would be just to check mark the sender something that they've just sent you in your inbox. So just select that and then select the More button, and then you can select where it says Block Senders, and you can just go check mark that box and block all future emails as well as deleting all existing emails if you so choose. And then once you're done with that, you would just select OK. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.